Fine, let me solve problem number 20 for you. Find the average of all prime numbers between 60 and 80. You know what is prime number? Prime numbers are the number which is divisible by itself and not by any other number. So prime number, let us find out here. From 60 to 80 we need to list out. First we need to list out the prime numbers, then we will find the average. What is those numbers? Let us check out here. 60 is divisible, right? 61 is not possible to divide. So 63 is not is divisible. Then 65 is also divisible. 67, right? 69 is divisible by 3, right? 71 is not possible, right? 73 is not possible. So 75 is divisible. 77 is also divisible. 79 is not divisible. So these are all the prime number which is in between 60 and 80. Now we have to find the average. What is average? Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Correct? What is the sum here? That is 61 plus 67 plus 71 plus 73 plus 79. That divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, now add it here. 9 plus 3, 12, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 21. 1 to carry 7, 7, 7. It is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 plus 6, 29 plus 6, 35. 351 by 5. Now divide this. So 351 divided by 351 by 5. 5 sevens are correct. You can go with this way only, right? 5 sevens are 35, right? 0, 1, correct. So now I can't do this, so I'll put 0 here, right? So then 70.2. So the answer is 70.2. The average of the prime numbers between 60 and 80 is 70.2. Hope you understood, right?